Hey, what's up, internet computer? Can this time, my brother, absolutely internet computer will give you a profit, and this month can they will give you a profit, my brother. We predicate discount video technical analysis, and I will give you, my friend, the main target of this time, my brother, internet computer. So let's start the brand video. Kindly holders, you need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Let's get started the brand video, my brother. First of all, the last 7 days chart is on the screen, and this time absolutely, my friend, the internet computer is in the profit, but current condition is going to very critical now. You know why, my brother? Absolutely, in the start of this last my friend, this week especially, they will move upward, but again they will fail down. So that's mean also the change occur will be also negative now. Minus 5.94% they lost in just only in this week, and the reason is absolutely, my friend, there are two main reasons. The first reason is that, my brothers, to in the start of month every coin fails down, and the second reason is that, my brothers, to especially when a holder starting selling, so they will fails down. So don't sell it, hold it, and wait for a good time. I hope, my brother, the internet computer price will be increasing if you hold. So my prediction is totally, my friend, going to be positive now. Just only we need to check out the last 3 days chart. Yes, my brother, this time, you know, absolutely after fails they will move upward now. So I'm 100% sure to the last point arrow is moving upward. So that's meanwhile, so this coin is also moving upward now. I hope in upcoming time. But just and only that's all, my friend, that's all. Just and only need your my friend focus to, if you hold, if you invest, so they will move upward. But if you starting selling, if you does not say hold, so they will fail down and they cannot give you a profit. So participate now. The price is very cheap now. I hope, my brother, they will hit $50 just in only in this month, my brother. But if it is possible, if you hold and if you take a very huge jumps, if you my friend, invest more and more. Let's see, my brother, to what they do. But my opinion is to please hold. And what's your opinion? Tell me in the comment box. Allah Hafiz, take care.